Another week in 2022 is over, week 3, and tech, especially digital health, is still growing at scale. The beginning of the year is always the time when the summaries and the reviews of the last year come in, especially with big numbers. And when we look on 2021, then one headline: global digital health funding skyrockets to $57.2 billion with record cash for mental health and telehealth. It's an impressive number. During the pandemic, mental health issues were on the rise. And as a guest in one of my recent podcast episodes said, Yoni Falkson, Gilgamesh Pharmaceutical, not much was going on to do more research and develop more solutions for mental health. So it's really good to hear that global funding to mental health tech startups reached $5.5 billion in 2021, jumping by 139% from $2.3 billion in 2020. The majority of 2021 deals were early stage, indicating room for further growth in the mental health tech space. 2022, third week. We have 49 weeks left. So the big question is, in which areas will investors in the digital space invest in 2022? And Fierce Healthcare cites a report, and Fierce Healthcare comes up with a first idea which areas might be relevant in this year. Number 1 is telehealth 2.0. Number 2, wearable tech to monitor the health. Number 3, digital mental health apps. And number 4, digital women's health. And number 5 is digital therapeutics. When we look on the funding side, Fierce Healthcare also has identified 5 telehealth startups that raked in $1.6 billion in funding in a record-setting quarter. When I look at the numbers, I mean, they are pretty amazing. For example, Capsule, digital pharmacy, $300 million in funding. Swedish digital health startup, Cree, $262 million Series D funding round. And the list goes on and on and on. You'll find the article, the link to the article in the resources to this video. And one paragraph caught especially my eyes. Global telehealth investment rose for the 4th consecutive quarter, growing 17% quarter over quarter and 169% year over year, according to a new report from market intelligence company CB Insights, a report that is worth reading. That was it for this week. Enjoy your remaining weekend and the week ahead. Have a great time.